Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Alien's Fireteam Elite 2 game crashing at startup, crash to desktop, stuck on black screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method what you have to do is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, just click on Steam option over here in the task manager and select Steam, right click on it, click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once you have done this process, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8, hit on apply and OK, launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for device manager. After that, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. Nvidia, AMD and Intel users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for Windows security. After that, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings and here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application and add it to the list over here. Now after you add the game to the list, from here you have to select the game. After selecting the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to clear temp files. So for that you have to press Windows plus R and have to type temp files. So here you will get the temp folders, whatever they are. You have to simply select all and after that click on the delete icon. So this will delete the temp files. Once you have done this process, now try to launch the game and check. Next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on general. Under launch option you have to type -dx11, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to turn off overlays. So you are suggested to turn off overlays like MSI Afterburner, Razer Cortex, Discord, OBS Studio and others, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for check for updates and then click on check for updates option and wait for it. After updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check if it's working. Next solution is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance and after that launch the game and check if it's working. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So click on it, wait for some time, it will verify the game files and once the game files are verified, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next method is to disable Steam overlays. So go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable it, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. So click on it, click on yes, wait for some time and once you get setup successful message, close this. After that you have to restart your PC and once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set, then click on OK. After this, launch the game and check if you can play it. If the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from your PC. After that, you have to restart your PC, and once your system restarts, now launch Steam, log into it, and again reinstall Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game, and then click on the play button to check if it's working now. So using these methods, you can easily fix Aliens Fireteam Elite 2 game crashing or crashing at startup, crash to desktop, stuck on black screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.